Navigate to my demo site at newup.consulting/DLIYJ. It stands for debug like it's your job. Once a page comes up, hit F12. This brings up your Chrome developer tools. Make sure you're on the sources tab. Go over to site.js. Now notice we have a search function here. Anytime you do a search operation on the page, it's going to run this code. So let's just throw a breakpoint in here. All I'm going to do is click in the column here at line 22. Notice we have a little icon showing we have a breakpoint. Now anytime that my product name value changes, we should hit this breakpoint and the execution of this application will stop and wait for us to do something. So let's go over here and we'll just type something. Notice we enter break mode. Chrome has shown you we can continue by pressing this resume button. If we go back over here to the code, we're now stopped on this line and we can inspect various things. If I hover over filtered, it shows me the value of that variable, the value of max, etc. Down here in the scope window, it'll show us the same things. If we had set a watch on a variable, we would see the watches. Notice I already have some from a previous debugging session. Now once you're here, you can inspect what you need to inspect, and then you can continue with these commands: step over, step into, and step out of current function. And these will be future blog posts, but basically you can just step into code, and there are multiple expressions on this line, which is why we haven't left this line yet. But if I hit step out, we should go to the next line. And here you can see that you can just step one by one through the code. You can see what it's doing. You can look at the variables. You can set another breakpoint somewhere, as many as you want. You can enable or disable them with this window here. Just click to disable, click to enable. That's very handy. If you don't want to lose a breakpoint, you might want to re-enable it later on. Don't delete it, just disable it. There you go. That's the very basics of setting a breakpoint. Thanks for watching.